Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. This is a review video for the Shinmax adjustable LED bike helmet. You can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Under $30, you can have one of these. Here's a visor, easy to install. Got the top looking nice. We got the mesh inside to cool off your head. And then in the back, we got the LED, push button, 3 different modes. Oh, come on. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. That one's cool. And then shut off for that one. And this is a paid for video, courtesy of Shinmax. And then we got the back end, and we got the adjustable right there. You adjust your head size. This is for male or female. We got the inside. We got the padding, protection foam right here. We got the deep inside right there. See what it looks like. And also the chin strap is protected. Easy to install. That's what it looks like. What? There we go. Got that right there. Here's the front. And they have many other colors to choose from. So they got pink and green ones, red ones. But I choose this one. There we go. And this would be a nice gift to get someone for their safety. I like the design right there. Good stuff though. CPSC certified. All of it. And then there we go. So get you riding in style with one of these on the road. So there you have it, YouTubers. Shinmax adjustable LED bicycle helmet. And you guys can get one at a low cost, under $30. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Be safe and see you soon.